API is a leader in the Jewish service movement. This past year, over 8,000 brothers on more than 150 campuses found a home with Jewish service. You didn't just show up to serve, you showed up to grow, to lead, and live your Jewish values while strengthening your communities. In a time when our Jewishness is challenged, service is an act of agency and hope. More than 50 API service ambassadors are now leading the charge on their campuses, owning the work, shaping the culture, and bringing others in. Together, our Jewish service creates a shared sense of purpose and healing in a polarized world, offering our campuses and communities support guided by our shared commitment to repair the world and build a stronger Jewish future.